Alrighty, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, no matter where you are in the world. You know who it is. Your boy JJ right here once again. We're going to get it started with a little bit of hot news. I could say it's on a hot mic because you know who it is right here on a hot mic. But anyway, we're going to get this B-roll going, so do stick around and we'll be right back with you. So do enjoy. Alrighty, good morning, good morning, good morning. I could say good morning because out of here in Southern California, it is 4 a.m. By the time y'all get this, it'll be about 6 or 7 a.m., Pacific Standard Time. But anyway, the hot news that's going on around, it seems like everybody's doing the squabble about the Nvidia graphics card. Seems the talk of the town is that Nvidia's graphics card, the connector on it seems to be, I don't know, kind of a rough kind of connector. When you try to pull 600 watts, it starts to melt because it gets up over 100 C. But do not worry. I'm going to tell you this. Do not worry. Nvidia has been contacted and they got it well in hand. So I'm waiting to see what Nvidia is going to be putting out there as a statement. Don't panic. It won't be the end of the world. There are solutions to the problem. There are other options other than using the connector they sent in the box. There are alternatives. Corsair's got an alternative, just to let you know. Some other manufacturer companies will probably have an option out there soon. So don't panic. Don't worry about it. Make sure you just say hey to Nvidia before you have a problem, or order it from Corsair. I know you spent $1,600 or more on that video card, but you're best off to just go and order this is what I would do. I would order the power supply and that backup cord from Corsair, and just get their power supply and the backup cord to save yourself a lot of headache and everything else. It'd probably be just best. That way you'll have a smooth running system and you won't have to worry about anything, and you'll be all set. Unless, many reviewers are talking about it. I'm not going to sit here and I'm not going to waste my time with and understand this. I'm not really going to waste my time on, this power squabble that, they're having power issues with this video card. I don't think it's a problem. I think everybody else is making it a problem. The solution's out there. You can always order a specialized cable from Cable Mods, or, you can, like I said, get a hold of Corsair and order their special cord and whatever power supply that cord goes with. You can get that information. It's not hard. So don't panic. Your 4090 will be safe. If you don't want to use that power plug they gave you, just order that special cord and be done with the aggravation, and don't panic. then I just said don't panic. But anyway, as far as any other hot news going on, y'all know about AMD and November the 3rd, which my birthday is around the corner. But anyway, we're not going to get into a long video on this and make it a 5-minute video, but I'm just going to say, don't worry, be happy. You got a problem with your Nvidia RTX 4090, RMA it to Nvidia and have them take care of it. But until the next video, no, I'm not going to say the next video, but like and subscribe. It would be much appreciated. We're still working towards the 1,000 subscribers, and we're working towards the 4,000 video time hours that YouTubers need to watch. Watch my videos from beginning to end to help me gain the 4,000 hours. And if you like my videos, please do subscribe. But until the next video, we will see you the next time. This is JJ, your boy, and we're out of here. Well, oh my God, this ain't Easter. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, no matter where you are in the world. You know who it is, your boy JJ right here once again. Am I here once again? Oh, screwed this up again. Wow, got this email here and it doesn't make sense. And I'm trying to make this opening. Oh my God, here we go. Someone help me. Till the next video, we'll see you then, and have a great day. Bum bum.